What's the meaning of appropriate? Appropriate. Appropriate.
Appropriate. Appropriate. The word appropriate refers to something that is suitable or fitting for a particular purpose, situation, or person. It has the connotation of being proper and in accordance with the accepted norms or standards. Appropriate behavior or actions are those that are socially acceptable and respectful. In some contexts, appropriateness can also refer to the allocation of resources or funds. Overall, something that is deemed appropriate is considered to be reasonable, acceptable, and fitting for a given context.